Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. It's your beloved sister, Eberechi, Ebere God, Eberechi Ukwu. Is greeting you people. She's greeting you people. Whatever. No money. So, my people. I don't come again to bring una the ogbonge news now wey just dey grand. My matter na wetin I dey talk now concerning about our beloved sister Ada Jesus. We thank God come dey hear come dey hear say e get person wey come donate, I don't know whether na man or woman wey don donate he or her kidney to that girl. I say, God, I give you the glory. Thank God, Father, I praise your holy name because you are worthy to be praised. And that person will come donate he or her kidney. I say, may God bless you and you will live long. That one kidney that you are using, you can never spoil. It will never harm you. Thank God. God bless you wherever you are. Amen. My people, wetin I dey talk be say all those people wey dey follow my pastor, my pastor, my pastor, my pastor, my pastor, my pastor, you people should be very, very careful. Come back home. Nobody stop nobody to not go to church. Me, Ebere, I dey go church. I no get enemy with anybody. Who dey enemy me? Na im own palava, na im own cup of tea, not be my own. So wetin I dey try to talk be say, you see Ada Jesus with Odumeje, they be tight friend. Don't worry, my next video, I will play their video. The video, I will play it. I mean the video for Ada Jesus and Odumeje. Very good friend. Even though self when now she say Ada Jesus, they even dey advertise Odumeje everything every time, I know whether they pay more, they pay am. So let's say they call on daddy, you go do am as I say na pastor wey im be. Na their own, na im own toro, not be my own. But when during that time where Odumeje with Ada Jesus dey, Ada Jesus dey criticize native doctor. But Odumeje, they carry his shoulder up. You see, and when Odumeje go lion according to what he call himself, he was so happy. But now when Ada Jesus don't turn come back where in there, he wants squeeze life come out from the girl. It doesn't work like that. It is a God where would they serve, saying they see. They see. They see. And those of you will be say, Ototo, Abale, afternoon, night, your leg there for church. Night vigil, this one, that one, every day. Motorcycle women, una no even get time for my husband. Una no even get time for my children. My pastor, my pastor, my pastor, my pastor, my pastor, my pastor, everywhere. You will cook, you will buy a fine cooler. You go dish, the fat, you meet the way carry fat to tozo. Or even on a fish, those big ones there, you go jack up, package them inside the cooler, cover am. But those ones they will break out. Maybe the meat they will break out. Fish they will break out. Whip down pieces. You go take that pieces, join them with your bone. Take serve your husband. Just as say your children say for maybe they how many they go share, how many pieces of meat. I say serve your husband. Say if you go serve a food like say na dog they serve food. Who will won't go arrange yourself, relax to serve very well, very well, so that you will be happy. Your pastor. God is watching. Your pastor now you go carry correct food go give. But the man where they say house, where they go morning will go out till night, suffer rain, everything. Even though some they receive a sort where they are working, then come back, then the wife to wake up the husband. No, even though some women say, I'm not sure say they give their husband the night food. You know what I mean? Oh my God, very funny. You understand? Then your husband go dey live large life, go dey happy. Ona haba papa. You see your pastor looking fresh, but you dry, looking dry like a bonga fish. Nothing, nothing. You go dish. Maybe when you carry that, that is rich, you go give your pastor. You yourself, you never even eat. Maybe you never eat. Maybe because you dey hurry na make you go show yourself, say na you, I be born again. But for you to eat na problem. Come out from that life. If you're a woman, you're into that kind of mess, come out. And the worst part of it that you will see women, a married woman or any woman, get a little bakam, little misunderstanding with her husband. Instead of for her, she with her husband to stay there inside the house, settle their problem. No. Go carry go say, fupa, ebe ko fupa naga. Pastor, my husband do this, my husband do that. Pastor, pray. Idiot. Pray what? That your pastor, he tell you saying they get problem with a wife or a family. Have you ever seen the pastor carry a matter come they tell you, or say, sister, look at it? No, it's you, fool. They carry your matter. You don't have your husband time, no time. Before your husband go to you go down like ba. Do you think say God they accept this rubbish? Nah, lie, you lie. I say your prayer when they pray, it don't be like a smoke. You know when Ken and Abel go carry sacrifice go. Ken, nothing. His own smoke was rotating. They even get mad to come off to go up. That is how on a prayer day. I bet you take all those people where we say those pastors where they call themselves pastor, they be pastor. Or that holy Bible they are holding, preaching. Do you think they are practicing anything whether they talk there? Both men and female. No one. Only what they pastor for is their pockets. You go see that they go build estates, duplex, plane, cars. Nothing where they no get. I be say they go use your name do the will. Now like children, you don't carry everything will put for the children head. Any day when they die, the children inherit everything. Una get nothing. Una go support and go build hospital, build school, build this, build that. Nothing for now. Pastor go they change clothes, they look fine, they look beautiful, they look handsome with his family. But you're drying. They shout kakakakaka. I say na balaka na wa say na ya na ahia mmano. You understand? Because in Agaka, the God of this my pastor, the Christ, which God? Now he preach pass. Now he read Bible pass. You go see the pastor go put crowd full everywhere. Una need the reason, una need the think. Now he preach pass. Okay, now that person, now God love pass. Then they call hate you. When they don't go commit themselves, go carry those ancient powers then. Because they settle them when they do their sacrifice, they settle very, very well. You see that they pull crowd. Then you, Mumu, go there, they follow Ijiji. So Zolani, they follow my pastor. Nothing for you. You abandon your family. You don't care about your family. No, nothing. Maybe the one we try know how to read Bible, you will see go inside the mind. You talk like a charcoal. They don't even have happiness. And they look, those ones call themselves born again. When I say like they say born again, but the market born again. Can't come out for road there, which kind of born again. where you no get happiness, you don't even love yourself, because who no love yourself, you no go love another person. You don't even love yourself, you don't care about yourself. How will you care about somebody? Love yourself. You will see the way they start for pulpit, they are preaching or what. See their mind, look at their face. They will use here and there, drag together. Only to read, maybe the one where they don't try to cram, they come, nothing. Go hit them, touch them. Now there go see say, you dey eat with the devil. And they tell you the truth. You dey eat with the devil. When something hit that pastor, or when you step on his foot, then you go know say, God cannot be later. Now that time he go tell you say, he no know you. The way Jesus Christ will deny them when the time will come. Wake up. Wake up. Oh, see the reality, see the light. Come out for that darkness. Because that darkness. Dark. A darkness. Okay, my people, I beg I go stop here. See you guys for my next video. Love you. Please share this video. Share, and like. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.